Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. Today's footage comes from police activity. I'll link the full video below if you want to watch it start to finish. What starts as two frantic 911 calls quickly turns into a life-or-death situation. Dispatch first hears a woman screaming for someone to stop, with chaos and yelling in the background. Moments later, another call comes in reporting a man inside the same home threatening people with a knife. When officers arrive, they find the suspect outside, but within seconds, he grabs a knife, rushes back inside, and locks the door, leaving multiple people trapped with him. As officers speak with a family member outside, the suspect appears in an upstairs window, makes a throat-slashing gesture, and tells them they're not getting in. But when one officer looks through the front door and spots people lying motionless on the floor, everything changes, and officers realize they have no time to wait. The breakdown starts now.
Hey, what's going on, man? You all right?
People locked me in the car and tried to kill me.
Come here.
No.
Watch how he suddenly breaks from standing still. That kind of quick move usually means he's committing to something, and once he does, the situation escalates instantly for everyone there.
Yo, it's just a flashlight. I can't see. Yo, come on, man. Come on. All right, 302. He is armed with a knife. He just went inside and locked the door.
Pay attention as officers approach the caller here. This is where they start getting real-time information, and what they hear next is going to shape every decision they make.
You the one that called?
What?
Are you the one that called?
Yeah.
Who is this?
It's going crazy.
Is everyone out of the house?
No, we're all in there. My and my son's going to slash the throat.
Watch how fast they shift from talking to the caller to stacking at the door. Something inside just changed, and whatever they're about to walk into is about to force a decision they can't take back.
Listen to me. Hey, get back! Get back! Hey, on the ground! On the ground! On the ground! Put the knife down! Put the knife down! Oh my God! 303, shot fire! Shot fire! Get that knife out of there.
Officers later recovered a large kitchen knife from the front porch, along with a second broken blade near the doorway where the suspect had been moments earlier. Inside the residence, 3 victims, 2 elderly adults and 1 60-year-old, were found unresponsive with multiple apparent stab wounds. Following the confrontation, the suspect was pronounced deceased at the scene by responding medical personnel. The incident remains under investigation by the Middlesex County Prosecutor's Office. Joel here with Bodycam Breakdown TV. If you want more real-world breakdowns like this, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss what's next.